In this video, we'll show you 4 effective solutions to fix the issue of the missing nicknames option on your Instagram app. Be sure to stay until the end to find out how to get the nickname feature and personalize your conversations. Let's dive right in. If you're missing the nicknames option from your profile, the first thing you should do is open the App Store or Google Play Store and ensure that your Instagram app is fully updated to the latest version. If updating the app didn't help, here are 3 other solutions. First, go to the settings on your iPhone or Android device. On iPhone, open General, and then iPhone Storage. Find Instagram in your app settings. Simply offload the Instagram app from the iPhone Storage section. This action clears the cache and unnecessary files that may cause bugs or missing features, such as the nicknames option. Once this is done, check your Instagram conversations to see if the nickname option is now available. If the problem persists, go to your Instagram profile, make sure you're logged in, and tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down to find the Help option, and select Report a Problem. Choose Report Without Shaking, and write something like, "Hello Instagram team, I have a problem. The nickname feature isn't showing on my account." After sending this request, wait for Instagram to respond and hopefully enable the nickname feature for your account. If none of these solutions worked, the only option left is to wait a few more weeks until Instagram rolls out the nickname option to your region. Instagram often introduces features to some countries first, with others receiving them later. So if you've followed all the steps and still don't see the feature, just be patient, and remember to regularly update your app.